Down in the West Texas town of El Paso, record rainfall and flash floods wash out the roads. But that's of no concern to this dumb driver, who isn't about to forego his favorite shortcut.
That guy thinks he's gonna pass. I don't think so.
Undaunted by the raging waters, the motorist forges ahead. He must think he's in the carpool lane. Pretty soon, he's up the creek without a paddle. His sensible passenger rolls down the window to yell for help. But water pours in and the car starts to sink. And now they're really in trouble. The driver heads to shore, leaving his friend to float away. But then he realizes he's forgotten something. He locks his car, just to be safe. These brainiacs are fine. But next time, you can be sure they'll check the weather report first.